Miami's next weather.
Everybody, we are after hump day now. Tomorrow, Thursday, temperatures right now 84. It feels like 94. We're going to get into the triple digits again. So the National Weather Service for the 10th day in a row now issuing this heat advisory for both Broward and Miami-Dade. The Keys may issue in the morning. So we'll get ready for heat tomorrow, but I don't think we're going to spend 6-7 hours with triple digits because I think we have some good rain on the way for tomorrow afternoon. There we are sitting in the mid and upper 80s, but again, at about 10, and that's what it feels like right now because of the humidity out there. On Next Weather Radar Network, quiet, but we are going to fill in tomorrow with plenty of showers and thunderstorms as both sea breezes from the Gulf and the Atlantic meet, and we're going to get some nice coverage here as far as rain chances, and that will help certainly cool us off. We'll do that again on Friday ahead of this boundary that will bring in just in time for the weekend some drier air and much lower rain chances. That's going to be for both Saturday and Sunday. So if you're planning ahead, obviously now getting close to the weekend, looks good for the entire day, whatever you're doing. There is Thursday, though, getting ready for storms already by Thursday afternoon. Look at the Gulf breeze getting going, the Atlantic breeze here, and where they meet, we get that collision, and that adds more lift to the thunderstorms and torrential downpours are possible here. The evening commute not doing well, and also for the pickup tomorrow, 3 o'clock in the buses, that is going to be a mess as far as how wet it's going to be. One of the wetter days we've had. And then Friday, we're back into it here with plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity with, once again, a collision into the afternoon. Thereafter, that's when we start getting into that drier air behind that boundary that'll bring us the nice weather for the weekend. Hurricane Ernesto, still a Category 1, 80-mile-an-hour winds, safely now away from the Caribbean and the islands here. Over the next few days, it's not going to bother anyone. It is going to provide large swells to the eastern seaboard, so indirect effects certainly from Ernesto, but direct effects for Bermuda are possible here between Friday and Saturday. There you see the National Hurricane Center having a Category 2 or 3 hurricane approaching Bermuda. Not good for them, obviously. The rest of the tropics, though, I have to say, very quiet, not just over the next 7 days, but even beyond that. We may get some action towards the end of August, but right now both our global models that we look at and a few others not depicting anything out there. So that's excellent news as we get deeper into August. Rip current threat is going to be low for tomorrow. On the water, we're looking good in the Atlantic and the Florida Keys here with no alerts. The rain chances are pretty high as we head into the afternoon, so about 70% coverage. I think by 6 o'clock that's going to be our peak. And then for tomorrow on Thursday, it'll be 93 degrees with temperatures then coming down a little bit for the weekend. Looks great. That 91 is going to feel closer to 91 than the triple digits with some lower humidity coming in and rain chances staying on the lower side for next week.